Hi, this is Terry Campbell with Johnson Insurance and another installment of Outside the Box. Today I want to cover a couple of types of coverage that people ask about. Sometimes they're like, why do I need that coverage? But they're specific to self-storage. Those are customer goods legal liability and sale and disposal. And I just want to go into a little bit about those two types of coverage. Now, I'm still an investor in several locations. I would not want to see that we didn't have these coverages on our facilities, and I'll tell you why. Customer goods legal liability. Let's say, for example, pretty much everybody's rental agreement says we're not responsible for the stuff that's stored inside the unit. It's up to the owner to be responsible for their own stuff, i.e. through tenant protection and things like that. But let's say, for example, you have a roof leak. That roof leak maybe was caused because you had a stopped-up gutter, stopped-up downspout. So the water backed up on the roof. You had leaks, and this went on for a period of months, if not years. And the customer's goods were damaged. They were moldy. They were just ruined. And even though the rental agreement says we're not responsible for your stuff, that could be seen as negligence. So if they take you to court, and a judge or a jury finds that you were negligent, so not only do you have the legal cost involved in trying to defend yourself, you may end up paying an award. So that's just one example of what customer goods legal liability could potentially cover for you. There's no way to know what your legal expenses are going to be in a situation like that. It's probably actually going to be more than probably what the possible award is, but you never know. Sale and disposal coverage. That is if you sell someone's stuff, either if you do it wrong, if you don't follow the procedures and somehow you have made a wrongful sale, or if you've done everything right and you go through the right process and you get rid of their stuff, they can still try to sue you. I've seen situations where everything was done right, but somehow or another, the person cleaning out the unit to take it all out and take it to the dump went to the wrong unit. So there's a variety of ways that you can be sued over wrongful disposal, wrongful sale, whatever you want to call it. And this coverage, the sale and disposal, can help cover your legal cost as well as any award there. So these are two specific coverages that people ask us a lot, do I really need that? Or I don't know if I want that. We highly recommend that you always have that in a self-storage facility. And I think it just gave you some good reasons and examples of why you do want that. We'll cover some other types of coverages in another installment, but thanks for watching and see you next time. Thanks a lot.